In this question, it is given that the resistance of a certain platinum resistance thermometer is found to be 2.56 ohm at 0 degree Celsius. So we can write resistance at 0 degree Celsius is nothing but 2.56 ohm, or you can write when the temperature is equal to 0 degree Celsius. And when the temperature becomes equal to nothing but 100 degrees Celsius, the resistance becomes equal to 3.56 ohm. When the thermometer is immersed in a given liquid, its resistance is observed to be 5.06 ohm. So we can just identify what about the value of the temperature. Assume that the temperature is T, then the resistance that we are getting is 5.06. So here also we can use the equation for comparing the resistance or reading of the different thermometer scale. So here you can write reading minus the value of or resistance minus resistance at 0 or lower fixed point divided by resistance at upper fixed point or 100 minus resistance at lower fixed point, let's say 0, is equal to, we can write the corresponding reading in take it as temperature in degree Celsius scale minus its lower fixed point divided by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. So we can find out the value of R over here. So this T over here. The value of R is given as 5.06 minus the value of R naught is nothing but 2.56 divided by R at 100 is nothing but 3.56 minus R at 0, which is equal to 2.56. So we can write this is equal to T divided by 100. So we can write this is 5.06 minus 2.56 is nothing but 2.5 divided by, thus we can take it as nothing but 1 into 100. This will be the value of T, or you can write T is equal to nothing but 250 degree Celsius.